Stunt rider dies in motorbike crash hours before his birthday bash. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is the place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Tributes are flowing across social media for a popular motorcycle stunt rider who died as a result of injuries he sustained in a single vehicle bang-up on the Mandela Highway in St. Catherine on Friday. The motorcyclist died hours before the staging of his birthday party dubbed V6, which was scheduled to take place in Minor Terrace off Chisholm Avenue in St. Andrew. The deceased has been identified as 27-year-old Jabbar Brown, otherwise called Jabbar, a motorcycle stunt rider and delivery man of Chisholm Avenue, Kingston 13. The Police Corporate Communications Unit, the CCU, in a release, said reports from the Ferry Police are that at around 3:15 a.m., Brown was driving a motorcycle easterly along the road when he lost control of the unit and collided into a metal barrier. The police were summoned and Brown was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. The police said that investigations are ongoing into the development. Brown was well known for his stunt riding skills and other motorcycle handling techniques. Unconfirmed reports, according to social media users, are that his actual birthday was on Saturday, while others contended that his birthday was on the same day as the planned V6 party. Just moments before the crash, Brown was seen riding with a female pillion on board, along with other friends on the thoroughfare in Kingston. It's not immediately clear what transpired thereafter, but soon after this video surfaced, another video surfaced online of the actual accident scene.
Put it active live. Live. Me tell you something now. Put it up. I'm here. Try to sit down. Put it up.
Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.